Hey guys, what's up? I hope your day is going swimmingly. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna learn something interesting again, of course. When to use on time, in the end, at the end, by the end. I bet you confuse using them. And they have something to do with prepositions. Prepositions make them confusing. So, stay with me until the end of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, now is your chance to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Let's begin with on time. When to use on time? On time means not late. It means punctual. If something happens on time, it means it happens at the time that was planned. So, we say on time. Let's have some examples. The meeting started on time. So, the meeting is at 3 p.m. and you started the meeting at 3 p.m. It's on time. The plane landed on time, or I came to the office on time. I'm not late. So yeah, on time means not late. And when something happens on time, again, it happens at the time that was planned. Next is in time. Okay, in time. Be careful with the preposition. It's in time. Okay, when we say in time, it means soon enough. Soon enough. So, it means it's not too late. It's just soon enough. It's usually followed by for something or to do something. You can say you're in time for something or you're in time to do something. So it's usually followed by those phrases. Let's say she came to school in time for her first lesson. So she came to school soon enough for her first lesson. Another example, I need to get home in time to watch the football match. So I need to get home soon enough so I can catch up the football match. Be careful with this. The opposite of in time is too late. You can say I was in time for dinner, but my dad came too late. So again, too late is the opposite of in time. Next one is at the end. Okay, the preposition is at. Be careful with that. At the end. So at the end means at the time when something ends. That's why we say at the end of the month, at the end of the course, at the end of the game, at the end of this week. So at the time when something ends. Let's have some examples. I'm going to another city at the end of this month. We could also say, at the end of the course, I learned how to communicate in English. So at the end of the course. This is an important thing to remember. The opposite of at the end is at the beginning, not in the beginning. Okay? Again, the opposite of at the end is at the beginning. Alright? Let's say I'm gonna start my software course at the beginning of August and I'm gonna finish it at the end of November. So I think it's clear for you. Alright, so far so good. Let's move on to our next phrase. It's called in the end. in the end. So the preposition is in the end, and it means finally. You use it to talk about what the result of something was. What's the final result? Or you're making a decision, and when everything is considered, you use in the end. Okay, I'm gonna give you some examples. We're planning to go to another country for vacation, but in the end, we didn't go anywhere. You know, we're planning, we're deciding, but the final result was we didn't go anywhere. So you can use in the end. Let's have another example. I had some problems with my computer. I just solved it in the end. In the end. So like I was thinking about it, so I decided to just sell it. In the end, I sold it. So that's how you use it. Alright, our last phrase is by the end. By the end. So the preposition is by the end, and it means something happened before the end, or something finished happening before the end of something. Oh, this usually happens in stories, right? By the end is usually followed by of. Let's have some examples. By the end of the movie, the prince found the castle. Alright, so the prince found the castle before the movie ends. So we use by the end. Another example. We came up with a solution by the end of the meeting. So before the meeting ends, we already found a solution. We already finished working out for the solution before the meeting ends. So that's how you use by the end. Well, there you have it, guys. These are how you use these phrases in sentences, whether you're in a conversation, you're writing essays or whatnot. These are helpful, and I hope it's clear to you. Let me know on the comment section if you have some other questions, or you can write down your own sentences on the comment section below. Let's check them together. I hope this video is helpful for you, so please hit thumbs up. Share this video with your friends who want to learn English, and please subscribe to my channel so you can learn when and how to use your English. See you soon on my next video.